Greetings YouTube, Alain Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And in this evening's quick video YouTube, as promised YouTube, we'll bring you guys a first time look at our 4th generation Gladiolus plants as they begin to come in to blossom here in our front yard garden extended grow area YouTube. Last year we planted a total of 50 Gladiolus bulbs along this fence line in the spring. We came back that same fall, fall of the same year. We planted an additional 50 Gladiolus bulbs here from other locations in our front yard garden extended grow area along this fence as well. Well, here YouTube, here is what our Gladiolus, our 100 Gladiolus plants are looking like here along the fence line after the storm. We had a storm come through a couple of days ago and actually laid down a couple of our Gladiolus flowers here YouTube, but nevertheless, the rest of our Gladiolus flowers are indeed looking well, and this is what they look like YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! Can you guys see all of these Gladiolus YouTube that we currently have planted along the fence line in our front yard garden extended grow area YouTube? We have over 100 Gladiolus flowers here along this fence line YouTube. As you can see, the ones that are currently opening are all the orange with the yellow in the center, and they're quite a spectacular blossom YouTube. We have about 20 of those currently open along our fence line here YouTube. As we go down, you can see some of the Gladiolus that the recent storm laid down partially, and others that the storm completely laid down. They're trying to recover YouTube, but we doubt they're actually going to recover, so probably end up just whacking those off, harvesting those bulbs and replanting those bulbs again here in the fall. But again, our Gladiolus YouTube, our Gladiolus along the fence line as they begin to come into blossom here in our front yard garden extended grow area. And we couldn't possibly be more pleased by the spectacular splash of color that these Gladiolus plants are currently adding to our front yard garden YouTube. We'll wait this to happen every year YouTube, and this year is indeed no disappointment. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you currently are watching this video on our Gladiolus along the fence line and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed YouTube, take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing Gladiolus along the fence line at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Thanks for watching.